Alright, so this is the video for your Arduino 3 badge. And this one's a little more complicated because the code is specific to the type of Wi-Fi device or shield or Arduino that you're using. I'm going to show a couple different ones, and then I'll describe the specific one that I'm using, and then show you the codes that go along with that. This right here is an Arduino Nano with Wi-Fi built in. This is a shield that you can connect to an Arduino, and this is the one that I've chosen to use. It is called a Node MCU, and that is it's an Arduino, an off-brand Arduino with Wi-Fi built in, and so that's what mine is based on. So here's my code, and I'll try to leave it up long enough that you guys can show all the code, so you can pause the video if you need to copy anything, and I'll scroll down because there's a few different files in this. So this code, so first we've declared the SSID of your Wi-Fi, and then the password for your Wi-Fi as well. And then up at the top, it's just kind of initializing, connecting to the Wi-Fi. Right, so again, most of this is just to establish a connection with the Wi-Fi. Down in the bottom in the setup here, it's actually, we're going to print the message that you're going to send. So this string, the Arduino test email. And then here you can see I'm actually using my email. And then Arduino, so these are just going to be the subject, so what the message is actually going to send, it's just different strings. And you don't want to put this in the loop, because if you put it in the loop, it'll send you multiple emails in a second. We're talking like 30 or 40 emails in a second. So you just want to have that in setup because it just runs the setup one time. Next is the csender. This is a C++ file. That's why it's got the .cpp. And this is, again, this is just kind of real technical, just dealing with the SMTP servers and ports. And so this, you know, we're not going to go through and explain this line by line, but I'll leave it up long enough. You can pause the video if you need to copy this over. And this will actually transfer to different types of Arduinos and shields that you may use as well. And then the final one here is another one, right? So this is more of kind of the technical mumbo jumbo. So the last two files, the CPP file and the .h file, you can use those interchangeably. So it's only this first one that you really will have to type specifically. And mine is written using Gmail as well. So this sends an email through Gmail, through an established Gmail address. So verify the file, and then we're going to upload it, and then we will bring my email client over to make sure that it's sent an email. Most emails, most cell phone carriers will actually have an email address that you can use to send SMS messages. So those are specific, but you basically, in most cases, it'll be like the telephone number with the area code, and then at verizon.net or something. You can Google those and find them really easy. And so this is the exact same code will work with text messages as well. Honestly, it's just a lot easier to show an email captured on the screen than it is to try to get my phone as well. So bring my email over, and you can see I have received an Arduino test email. So we have success. So there we go. So you can see there, that was what our subject had said. Arduino test email. So easy enough. You can do this and send it and verify, then you have earned your Arduino 3 badge.